Hello, this is Johanna Barton from Confetti Design with another video of how to use your WordPress website. In this video, we're going to look at how you add in a new testimonial, and there are two ways to do this depending on how your theme works. So the first way is where the testimonial is updated within the section on your page, and the second way is when you have a testimonial section on your dashboard. You create a testimonial and then you go into the page and select that new testimonial to show up. So the first way is in this theme, which is the Avada theme. It is actually in the page. So this section, which is on the home page, down the bottom, we're going to go into that page in the dashboard. So we go to all of our pages, and then we're going to the front page. And you would go into each of the different pages and then into the section where the testimonials live and add in a new testimonial. So we're going to wait for the builder, the page builder, to load. That shows all of the sections that make up this page. So that's the banner at the top. That there is the sign-up form, there's some entry text about the services, icons linking through to services and products, a little bit about the owner of the website, and here's our testimonial. And this one here is in fact a testimonial tab. So the way this works when you scroll down to the bottom is you add the testimonial right in here. So we have a look at the different components. We get to call it a name. If you wanted to, you could have an image. We're just calling it a name. We could then upload a picture of the person. We've got a link to the website, and then we've got the text. So I'm just going to copy all of this text, and I'm going to put that into a new testimonial. Click on that to close it. If you wanted to open one up, you just click it, and the plus goes to a minus, so that's like a concertina where it opens up and closes. And we're going to add a new testimonial. Number 4, we open it up. I'm going to go straight down to the content and copy and paste the content. Now in this one, you'll notice if we go back to the front page of the site that it is a lot bigger and it is in bold. And so we've got a little bit of code in there telling us that we want it to be a bolder text, which is an H2 tag, meaning it's slightly bigger than normal, so it was legible in that section. And we've said that the color is white. So these are called hex colors, and if you want to find out what colors are, you can Google HEX colors and it will give you codes. And then we close it with this text below, and then we have the name of the person. So that's how we create a testimonial within an actual page. And this one is also coaching. It's a coaching client, and we don't have any pictures. So we would save that new testimonial and we would go back up to the top, and as always we update those changes to tell that page to accept the changes. So that is the first way to add in a new testimonial within the page. It's one way that themes work. Another way that themes work is when you have, and this is in the back end of my site, is that we have testimonials on the dashboard. It's where you add in a testimonial by here. Okay. So this is where we add in a directory, kind of like a page directory, but it's a directory of all the testimonials. So if we were to add a new testimonial, we would click just like we do to add a new page. We add a new testimonial. And I have pictures on mine, so if we quickly have a look at the page, the section, I've decided in my design to have a picture of the client, and there's a link through to the website that we have designed for Mary Jane. If we wanted to scroll through to another one, we've got a few there, and they are all in the back end. Here we're going to have new testimonial. We'll just write new testimonial. And we're going to have the author name, and we'll just say it's from me. testimonial to myself, my company. So if you didn't want to have any of this information on your testimonials, you could leave it. And it's telling us that they want the HTTP there. So that is the complete URL. And then we have the quote. Johanna was amazing, incredible, and helpful. Highly recommend her. And that's the end of that. So we would then publish that testimonial. But in actual fact, that testimonial, although it's saying that we've published it, it's now within our website. So in order to show that up here, down here, you'll see that it doesn't automatically show. So I've scrolled through them all and it's not showing. And that is because we now need to go into the page and attach that testimonial into that section. And we will find the section where the testimonial can be attached. So we scroll down and there it is there, testimonial slideshow. So we pick up the pencil icon and click on that, and that allows us to edit that section. Now, it's really good to pay attention to the different settings on here. So I think this was 5 just before I went in. Now 5 means that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to find the one that I created called, let's keep scrolling, new testimonial, and that is going to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need to make that 6, otherwise it will not show. And then I save, and whenever I've made any changes, I go and update the page. Updating the page ensures that the changes that I've enacted are going to be secured within that page. And once it reloads, we can go into the site. It's just another part of the back section. Go back into the site and go into where we were, which was Services Brand Design, and fingers crossed, number 6 will be there with my name. And there it is. Okay, so that's how we create a testimonial, by going through to the testimonial section and then going into the actual page where we want it to show up and selecting it.